Smart Art Part 2. It is very easy to change, move, or do just about anything with the Smart Art once it is opened. For example, if I want to choose a new style, the first thing that I have to do is to click anywhere on that Smart Art. Notice Smart Art Tools button has appeared on the screen. If you are not on Smart Art, it would not appear on the ribbon. So to make use of the tool, you must be on Smart Art. Here, I am going to design to change the layout. So I can choose another style from here. In this case, I am going to look at something on the side. See, now I have January, February, March, and the firm information is on the side. If I want to change it again, I can go back, and this layout wants me to actually put a picture in there. I want to put the manager's picture in as the winner for the month. I can even put arrows on the side. Each of these then is adjusted based on the sizing that I choose for them in the background. If I want to go back to my original, of course, I can just go back to my listing feature itself and I can choose my original. Same thing I can do with the colors. I can go in the background and then just change the colors to match the style of my choice. Here, I've chosen to actually coordinate with the colors on the screen. Now, once I do that, I can also go in and simply choose the styles, and you can see what a big alteration it makes just in the styles that you actually choose. Each one of them has a very different look and feel to it, and of course, it's all individual liking as to which one you want to use. One more thing I want to show you here is when I am in the Smart Art, it will stand out more by using Format button. When I go to Format, it allows me to put in a shape fill. I can now go into the background and you notice how it's actually putting in a light background color. I'm going to choose a very soft shade of green. I can also go in now and put an outline color, perhaps a little darker shade of green. It also allows me to go into a host of special effects. These include ultimate glows around the side of it, or it just kind of offsets it a little bit. Or I can just simply go into my Smart Effects and do a bevel or a 3D effect. Now notice that this just changed the look of it by putting some ghosted images on the side. If I don't want the glow or any of those images, once again, I'm going to go back to Format, to Special Effects, go back to Glow and select No Glow. You can see that the Smart Art is a magnificent way to add a visualized excellence to your spreadsheet. Now keep in mind that the purpose of this is to offset some data, so you don't want to overuse it. Perhaps all I want to do is show the February winner. In this case, I'm going to open up the outline. When I open up the outline, I'm going to delete off all of the January information by just either hitting the delete key or the backspace key. Now see, I'm down to February and March. I'll do the same thing in March. I'm just going to go in and I'm actually taking each of the components and deleting them out. Now I'm down to just one little section of the Smart Art, which is the February winner for Firm 1. Now you can see what a difference this makes. I'll go back to Format and I'll choose to actually take off the shape fill, take off the shape outline. I'm going to turn off the text outlining, go back to my screen, and now you'll notice that when I'm looking at my spreadsheet, I've just made a nice tab for the February winner. You can apply Smart Art in many ways. Keep it simple always.